Patrick at Pals, Nissan 370Z. Everything's off the front end. We're going to take the engine out, replace it with a new engine. Well, a used engine, let's put it that way. These are great cars. You know, I don't think I've done a video on one of these. If I have, it's been a while. And, you know, these Z cars are kind of a good little secret that people don't really know about and embrace, but they are fantastic driving cars and performance. This one, the engine failed, and we're putting another engine into it, get this customer down the road, and in order to change the engine, you can see everything is very compact. You have to take the whole front end off of the car, and then the engine slides right out. If you've got a Nissan Z, bring it to Pals. See you soon.